Hey everybody, Cruiseman here again with a new product from our friends at Showchrome. And today it's all about safety for those of you that ride a 2021 or later Honda Goldwing Tour.
This Cruiseman's Garage video is sponsored by Wing Stuff, your online resource for Honda Goldwing parts, accessories, and much, much more.
Today I have a brand new product from Showchrome. This is the GT Marvel trunk light. And this is pretty exciting stuff because not only does it look really cool, but it really can enhance the safety of you when you're riding your motorcycle. You know, a lot of motorcycle accidents happen when you're in traffic or you're at an intersection and somebody comes up behind you. Maybe they don't see you, they're distracted, they're texting, they're on the phone, they're putting on makeup, and you can get rear-ended very easily. Now, there's a lot of things you can do to improve your safety from traffic coming up behind you. You can wear bright clothing. You can make sure to keep enough distance between you and the car in front of you or the intersection in front of you, because if you did get hit from the rear, you don't want to be sandwiched in between two vehicles. And you should also make sure your brake lights are working properly before you ride. But there's no question that one of the most important things you can do to improve your safety is to add more light to your motorcycle. Now, I can remember back in the 60s when cars only had a couple of brake lights down low. And then sometime in the 70s, the federal government mandated that every car sold in the U.S. have this, we used to call it a Cyclops light. It's that light that's on your rear window, kind of up high, just under the roof line. And they did that because it's in the line of sight of other cars, and it increases the visibility, and it creates what I call a triangle of light. The two lights down below and the one above. Well, unfortunately, your Honda Goldwing Tour doesn't have that triangle of lights, and most drivers nowadays are kind of conditioned to expect to see that single brake light up high. It's a subconscious thing, but it's there. Well, Showchrome has solved that problem, and they can give your motorcycle that triangle of light in the rear with this GT Marvel trunk light. It mounts to the back of your Honda Goldwing trunk lid, and it includes a running light, a brake light, and turn signals. Not just turn signals, but sequential turn signals for even more attention-grabbing information. Now, there's several things I really like about this product. Number one, I'm a big proponent of light. You know that, especially rear lights on your motorcycle. And I've got two of them here. This one is the chrome model with the red turn signals. Let's open it up here and take a look. I'm not going to take off this protective cover. I just want to take off enough to see the plastic chrome and see what it looks like. Okay, first glance, the quality looks superb, as you would expect from Showchrome. Very nicely done. The lenses are super, super nice. Very good quality all the way across. Everything looks very well made. So if you like chrome and you prefer chrome, I think you're going to be very satisfied with the look of this product. Now, Showchrome offers these in 4 different configurations. You can have a chrome finish with amber turn signal lenses, a chrome finish with red lenses, a matte black finish with amber turn signal lenses, or a matte black with red turn signal lenses. And you may want to check with your local laws in your country or your state as to whether or not amber or red lenses are allowed before you purchase. I think in the US you can have either one. Now, I also have the matte black model here, and again, the quality of the finish is second to none. It really looks very nice. This one has the amber lenses, as you can see. Also like that look. So there are your basically your two choices, the chrome or the matte black. I'm kind of a matte black guy, but I know a lot of you out there really love chrome. Now, another thing I really love about this product is this looks like something that should have come on the Goldwing. I'm not sure why Honda didn't go ahead and include lighting in the trunk lid. This product is going to look like it came from Honda once you get it installed. And installation is pretty straightforward. They do give you very detailed installation instructions. I don't at this time have an installation video on the GT Marvel trunk light. My 2018 plus Honda Goldwing maintenance video series does show you in great detail how to remove the rear speaker covers, the passenger backrest, and the trunk lid on a 2021 or later Honda Goldwing Tour. So if you don't already own my Honda Goldwing maintenance video series, I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can order them. Not only is this a really nice looking product that I think is going to enhance the look of your Honda Goldwing, your 2021 and later Tour model, but it's going to add a lot of safety as well, and I think that's the most important thing you can think about. This product is available right now from our friends over at wingstuff.com. You can order this online in the configuration that you want. I recommend you order them as soon as possible because I have a feeling these are going to sell out. I just think they're going to be super popular. They're also very competitively priced. I'll put links in the description of this video if you want to go right to the product page. I want to thank Wingstuff for sponsoring the video, and remember what I always say, ride often, but ride safe.